to my future employers, good day. My name is Sara Bismonte from Legazpi City, Philippines, 37 years old, married with 4 kids, 1 son age 11 years old and 3 daughters ages 5, 10, and 17 years old. My educational attainment is college level. I have work experience at Saudi Arabia as domestic helper for 2 years and 4 months. I serve one couple with 3 kids age 5, 2, and the other one is a newborn baby. My main duties are cooking, ironing, washing the clothes, washing dishes, and sometimes car washing, and most especially taking care of their newborn baby. For my future employers, please choose me as your helper because I'm hardworking, honest, and trustworthy. If you choose me as your helper, I promise I will do my duty very well and I followed your rule and regulation. Thank you and God bless you.